injured, so they took a big risk on Gray, sending Javi Gomez de Llano to the Terra Firma Jeep. Kapalit niya ni Jeremiah without seeing Cruz, Perez, and Romeo all lethal in the open court. If they run, they're going to be able to stop. May ganyan pa,
Perez Romeo hitting it from the outside.
And once cleared, he should be fit to play about 2 weeks after the 15th. Back to you, Jot and Bill.
Thank you so much, Bella. You see what a gorgeous move from CJ Perez.
He was a third-round draft pick of Mahindra in 2015. 33 years old, trying to make a comeback in the PBA. And CJ Perez has been amazing. Still only 2 points across his name. Paubos ng oras dito sa ating first half. Oh, what a shot! Perez Romeo! That's a circus shot! Ito, mahirap na tiro yun, ha?